Let's start in tumble ball. Knees together. You are sitting into your heels, hands to your lap. If this is too easy for you, you can come to hero pose, opening your feet. Close your eyes or keep your eyes open. Your spine in long. Inhale. Open mouth. Exhale. Release. Feel the calmness that comes after each exhale. Two more of these. One inhale. Exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale. The next inhale, plant your hands into the mat and the spine child pose. Toes together, open your knees wide, extend your arms forward, bring your forehead to the mat. Extending your arms, press your hips, send your hips closer to your heels. Inhale. Exhale. The next inhale, your torso up. Knees together to tumble ball. Bring your arms back. Interlace your fingers. Extend the arms down and away from your lower back. Chest is up, gaze up. Inhale. Exhale. Hands to the mat and let's find high plank. And then come into your toes. Chest is forward. Upward facing down. Pressing into your hands. Squeeze your glute. Gaze up. Breathe here. One more inhale. You are in the top of your feet. Exhale. And then drop the knees and come to seated pose, butterfly. Solo your feet together. Create a big diamond shape. Opening your knees. Inhale. Arms up. Gaze up. Exhale. Fold forward between your legs. Relax there and breathe. The next inhale, bring your torso up. Bend the knees, solo your feet to the mat, and just come down into your back. Solo your feet about hip distance apart, bridge pose. Arms to the side, press to the sole of your feet. Bring your hips up, bridge pose. Option to stay here or bring your hands and palms together, interlace your fingers, the waist in your shoulders, hips are up. Breathe here. Inhale, squeeze your glute up. And exhale, release down. Supta Baddha Konasana. Open your knees. Solo your feet together. And then the next inhale, knees together to your chest. Supine twist. Knees to the left, gaze to the right. The knees are together, or you can extend the legs to the side. Whatever feels good for you, gaze to the right. Inhale. And then you exhale. Knees together and to center, and then we do the other side. Knees to the left, gaze to the right. Supine twist it the other side. Option to extend the legs to the side and breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Let's start to meditate. Your spine in long, knees together. Let's meditate today in tumble ball. Your hands could be down into your lap, facing down or facing up. Spine long, shoulders back, and close your eyes. Also open your gaze and just stay for a moment, just quiet with yourself. Start to paying attention what you're breathing, your thoughts. You're nothing to change, just being with you. Remember, check your breathing. As you inhale, feel the expansion in your body. And as you exhale, feel how your body relaxes. Checking your breathing. Nothing to change, just checking your breathing. It is time to come back. Start to move your finger, maybe your shoulder your neck, and open your eyes. Inhale, bring your arms up, gaze up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Thank you.